New tonight, all ice hockey is temporarily shut down in Massachusetts. The Department of Public Health announcing tonight that all indoor ice rinks and skating facility operations are closed for 2 weeks.
Now, this comes after several clusters of COVID-19 are linked to rinks following hockey games, practices, and tournaments. New Hampshire has also put in similar restrictions. Tonight, Rhode Island officials have identified a potential case of in-school transmission of the coronavirus. It's one of the many topics 12 News reporter Kim Kalunian covered in her weekly one-on-one with Governor Gina Raimondo today. Kim joins us now from the newsroom with the details. Kim?
Well, in addition to talking about COVID in schools, I also revisited the topic of moving out of phase 3, something the governor said could happen in smaller increments.
Having the kids in school is not really a vector of spread.
Governor Gina Raimondo says in-person learning continues to be a no-brainer to her, saying the dangers to kids who aren't back in school outweigh what she says is a minimal risk of coronavirus spread in the classroom. This as the Davies Career and Technical High School in Lincoln announces possible evidence of school-based transmission just this week.
First of all, it's not entirely clear in this instance that it was in-school transmission. It could be, though, as you say, and it is the first instance like this that I know of in Rhode Island.
A spokesperson for the Rhode Island Department of Health says we have seen instances in which it was possible, but when you are talking about 2 or 3 cases, it is very hard to definitively say that those people got sick from each other as opposed to from another exposure. This as new positive cases in Rhode Island reach levels we haven't seen since April.
When I saw the numbers this morning for yesterday, you know, you get a pit in your stomach. 400 cases in one day. That is not where we want to be. So you're absolutely right. It sure looks like we are beginning a second wave.
But the governor is still hopeful Rhode Islanders can flatten the curve once again. And when that happens, she'd like to start easing restrictions, particularly around commerce and events.
It's on my mind that weddings are still at 50 and certain aspects. I would love to relax that. We might not go into a full-blown phase 4 until we have a widely available vaccine, but that doesn't mean we won't continue to incrementally relax the restrictions.
So what does phase 4 look like? The governor tells me to her it means reopening the convention center and allowing large gatherings there and elsewhere in the state. Right now on WPRI.com, you can watch our full interview where I also ask her how often she is being tested for COVID-19 and how folks can use a new artificial intelligence service to help find themselves a new job. In the newsroom, I'm Kim Kalunian, 12 News.